So these all are the important previous year question based on the random variable. Already in the previous session, we completed all the concept related to random variable. Let me solve this problem. So they given us f of t. So here t is a random variable. So f of t equal to alpha e power minus alpha t. So this is a probability density function. Okay. So they given probability density function. Now we need to find probability between time. Okay, time between 100 to 200. That's all. Now here is it continuous or discrete? Student, tell me, is it continuous or discrete? So this is continuous.
Continuous, sir.
Yes, continuous random variable. So we can use 100 to 200 alpha e power minus alpha t dt. So t varying from 100 to 200. So t varying from 100 to 200. So alpha e power minus alpha t. Alpha e power minus alpha t. Yes, now we have to integrate. So what is integration of this with respect to t? E power minus alpha t by minus alpha. So lower limit 100, upper limit 200. So minus. So we can write as what? Minus e power minus alpha t, lower limit to upper limit. So first we can write e power minus 100 alpha minus e power minus 200 alpha. So which option is correct? E power minus 100 alpha minus e power minus 200 alpha. So option A is correct one. Okay, so option A is correct one. In every model, I selected one question. Yes, this also understand. Assume that duration in minutes of telephone conversion in minutes. Okay, f of x equal to 1 by 5 e power minus x by 5. So here also same follows exponential distribution. Find the probability that conversion will exceed 5 minutes. So here, so we have to find probability of x greater than 5. So exponential distribution. So as per the given, we can conclude that this is a continuous. So formula 5 to infinity. Okay, because of x greater than or equal 0. So x varying from 0 to infinity, but in our question we have to find probability that exceed 5 minutes. So 5 to infinity 1 by 5 e raised to minus x by 5 dx. Okay, now we can integrate 1 by 5. So integration of this e power minus x by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. So now lower limit 5, upper limit infinity. So now this 1 by 5, so minus. Now substitute upper limit, will get e power minus infinity. E power minus infinity minus substitute lower limit, will get e power minus 1. So the value of e power minus infinity is what? 0 minus e power minus 1, or we can write as e power minus 1. So answer 1 by e. Just integration only. But here the thing is we need to find probability that conversion exceed above 5 minutes. So we have to take the limit. So above 5 minutes. So we have to take the limits 5 to infinity. In the limit correct select பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு answer வரும் கண்டிப்பா. Next as usual integration. So in mathematics to solve any gate question, integration or differentiation or some trigonometric function எல்லாமே important தான். So mathsங்கிறது ஒரு chapter படிச்சா அதுல இருந்து மார்க் வரும் கிடையாது. You have to study all the 8 chapter then to score good marks in any exam, maybe gate or TNEB or TRB. Mathsல எல்லாமே படிச்சீங்கன்னா marks you can easily score it. Yes. Now this question just take. Read the question here. A random variable x is takes values 1, 2, 3 with the corresponding probabilities they given. We have to find the value of p and the mean of x. So here whether x is discrete or continuous. So x takes values they given 1, 2, 3. with the corresponding probability P of x equal, this is capital X equal small x value 1, 2, 3. So they given the value 2 plus 5p. So 2 plus 5p divided by 5. The next is what? 1 plus 3p divided by 5. Next 1.5 plus 2p divided by 5. So whether x is continuous random variable or discrete random variable, that first important. Random variable நீங்க எந்த sum solve பண்ணாலும் first you have to check whether continuous or discrete. So here x is a discrete random variable. So we know that area under PDF. So area under, sorry. So we know that area under PDF. Area under PDF is equal to 1. So now as per that property, so 2 plus 5p plus 1 plus 3p plus 1.5 plus 2p divided by LCM is 5 is equal to 1. If you add, what will you get? 5 plus 3, 8, 10p. 10p, then here 3, 4.5. So 4.5 is equal to 5. So 10p value is what? 0.5. So what is the value of p? 0.05. So the value of p equal to 0.05. The value of p is equal to 0.05. Yes, next we have to find. So 0.05 means it may be option A or B or A or C, but we have to check the value of E of x. So E of x, you know that. What is the formula for E of x? Summation x into P of x. Here x varying from 1 to 3. Yes. So now 1 into, what is the value of P of x equal to 1? 2 plus 5b divided by 5 plus 2 into 1 plus 3p divided by 5 plus 3 into 1.5 2p divided by 5. So now here substitute, simplify and finally substitute the value of p. P value 0.05. Then you will get the answer. So this is use calculator. In GATE exam, calculator allowed, virtual calculator allowed. So using that you can simplify this. P substitute பண்ணி solve பண்ணீங்கன்னா கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். Just இதை simplify பண்ணிட்டு then finally substitute p value, you will get the answer. Maybe A or C, you verify this. This also one of the easiest one. Yes, next one. Yes, next one. Yes, in the next problem. So x is continuous random variable whose probability density function given. So now we have to find probability of x greater than 1. Before that, here k is a constant you have to find. So we know that area under PDF equal to 1. So f of x dx equal to 1. But here x varying from 0 to 2, f of x value k into 5x minus 2x square dx is equal to 1. Now k into, what is integration of first term? 5x square by 2 minus, what is integration of second term with respect to x? 2x cube by 3. Now limit you have to replace 0 to 2 is equal to 1. Yes, now k into, now substitute upper limit. So 5 into 2 are 10 minus here what is the value? 2 power 3, 8. So 16 by 3 is equal to 1. So check. So 5 into integration of x square by 2 minus 2 integration of x square x cube by 3, substitute upper limit. So 2 power 4 by 2, 5 into 2 are 10 minus 2 power 3, 8 into 2 are 16 by 3. Now 30 minus 16. So k into, so what is 30 minus 16? 14 by 3 is equal to 1. So the value of k equal to 3 by 14. the value of k equal to 3 by 14. 3 by 14. But here we don't want to find k. Question. Some student in the token 3 by 14 don't select. That is the value of k is 3 by 14. Yes, now we have to find probability that p of x greater than 1. Let I use here. So k value 3 by 14 calculated. Random variable is one of the easiest topic in probability, even in maths also. So, but probability of x greater than 1, now we can write integral 1 to 2. Because of x greater than 1, 1 to 2. So, k value we can substitute later also, not issue. So, 5x minus 2x square dx. So, k into 5x minus 2x square dx. Yes, now we can integrate this. So, first calculate k value. Then we can integrate this. Yes, k we can take outside. So integration of this is what? Equal to 5x square by 2 minus 2x cube by 3, limit 1 to 2. Now k into, now substitute upper limit. So what is the value for upper limit? 10. Because of 2 into 2, 10 minus this 8, 16 by 3. This is upper limit minus lower limit. So lower limit means x value 1. So 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 5 by 2 minus 2 by 3. So k into, here the value is what? 30 minus 16, 14 by 3. Then here, what is LCM? What is LCM? 6. So here 15. 15 minus 4, 11. So again you have to simplify. So k into, we can write 28 minus 11 by, 28 minus 11. So what is 28 minus 11? 17. Correct? 28 minus 11. Yes. 17 by 6. Is no space finally. So finally we can substitute k value. So here k value is what? 3 by 14 into 17 by 6. So 1, 2. So answer 17 by 28. So option D is correct one. So option D is correct one, 17 by 28. Okay. So for this problem, first you have to find the, we know that property area under probability density function is 1. Using that, we have to find the value of k. Then we have to find the probability for x greater than 1. So answer 17 by 28. Okay. Yes. Let me move to next question. Yes, this is a direct formula based question. So we need a formula for variance of x formula. E of x square minus E of x whole square. So in terms of theory, E of x square is called as a very important mean square. This is called as a mean square minus this is called as a square of mean. That also understand, square of mean, or I gave another formula. This is called as a mean square minus, this is square of mean, we need a mean square, So mean square means how will you write? So this is mean square. X bar is mean. For that we have to take square. That is called as square of mean. Anyway, the first formula is correct. E of x square minus E is expectation. Yes, this is correct. Option A. E of x square minus E of x whole square. So option A correct. Yes, next question. Next also, yes, they given. Yes, probability density function. They given probability density function X is the random variable, and m and are real numbers. Find the relation between m and n. So here also e power exponential function. So this is continuous. Already I told now we have to find whether continuous or discrete. This is continuous. Therefore, we can write minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. But they given here as a p of x. That notation they will use in a different one. They will use different. So here they given notation as a p of x. So anyway, so now minus into plus infinity m e power minus 2 mod x plus n e power 3 e power minus 3 mod x. So dx equal to 1. Now modulus function given, so you have to split. Already I told in class for lower limit minus infinity to 0 e power 2x, because of our lower limit mod x equal to, see I told no. So mod x equal to minus x for x less than 0 plus x for x greater than 0. So as per that, for minus infinity 0 mod x equal to minus x, so e power 2x plus n e power 3x dx plus for 0 to infinity mod x equal to x. So m e power minus 2x plus n e power minus 3x dx, so which is equal to 1. Understand this. So actually in the limit pathina minus into plus infinity, we have to split lower limit, lower order minus into plus infinity 0, then higher, then right side 0 to infinity. Whenever modulus function comes, you have to split like this. Then only integration is very easy. Yes, now next step, let no space. So now integration of this first term m e power 2x by 2 plus n e power 3x by 3 limit minus infinity to 0 plus, what is the integration of this, m e power minus 2x by minus 2 plus n e power minus 3x by minus 3. Here what is limit, 0 to infinity is equal to 1. Just integration. Yes, now substitute upper limit. What will you get? M by 2 e power 0 1 m by 2 plus n by 3. This is for upper limit. Substitute lower limit e power minus infinity 0, again e power minus infinity 0. Yes, plus here substitute upper limit. Upper limit means e power minus infinity 0, e power minus infinity 0 minus, for lower limit minus m by 2, then minus n by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so now yes, now m by 2 plus m by 2, m plus n by 3 plus n by 3, 2n by 3 is equal to 1. But as per the option 3, okay, this is available now, m plus 2 by 3 n is equal to 1. Okay, we can stop here. So கொஞ்சம் ஆப்ஷன் நீங்க பாத்துங்க, நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு இதை சிம்பிளை பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருந்து இங்க வந்து தேடிட்டு இருக்க கூடாது. So இங்க as per given option A directly matches, so we can give the answer as option A. நீங்க இதை சிம்பிளை பண்றேன்ட்டு மறுபடியும் போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம். So what we can write 3m plus 2n equal to 3 ன்னு ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணலாம். பட் இதெல்லாம் இங்க ஆப்ஷன்ல இல்ல. So directly m plus 2n by 3 is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. Now this is one of the important question. So x and y identical distribution. Please understand. X and y are independent and identical distribution. Identical distribution na, so p of x p of y ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். Independent na, you know that. For independent, what is p of x comma y? P of x into p of y. This is for independent. Now they given x takes values. So what are the values of x? 0, 1, 2. Yes, with the corresponding probability 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This is for x. For y also same thing. In the x badala y also, because of they given y is x and y are identical. So they given us x and y are identical. So y also 0, 1, 2, p of y equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Okay. Now we need to find probability of x plus y equal to 2, conditional probability, x minus y equal to 0. This is conditional probability we have to find. So what is the formula for probability of a by b? We know that probability of a intersection b or a by b divided by a intersection b or probability of b. We know the formula, conditional probability of a by b equal to probability of a intersection b divided by probability of b. Now we can expand this. What will we write? Probability of x plus y equal to 2 intersection x minus y equal to 0 divided by probability of x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. Sorry, this wait. Yes, probability of x minus y equal to 0. Yes. Now see here. So first denominator x minus y equal to 0. So what are the values of x and y? X minus y 0 na x y same இருக்கணும். So it may be 0 0 or it may be a 1 comma 1 or it may be a 2 comma 2. Because of x value 0, y value 0, x minus y 0. X value 1, y value 1, x minus y 0. X value 2, y value 2, so x minus y 0, that is in denominator. But numerator la x minus y 0 வரணும், that 3 cases we return, and also x plus y வந்து 2 வரணும், and also x plus y must be 2. அப்ப இந்த கேஸ்ல x minus y 0, but x plus y also 0, so we cannot take. In the third la x minus y 0, okay, but x plus y is not equal to 2. ஏன்னா இங்க x y add பண்ணா 4 வருது, x plus y equal to is wrong. But in this case x minus y 0, x plus y equal to 2, so both matches. So here in numerator we can write probability of 1 comma 1. This is important step. So first denominator x minus y 0 வரணும்னா xy values are 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. But numerator la x minus y 0 வரணும் and also x plus y 2 வரணும். அப்ப only the value p of 1 comma 1. Okay. Yes, now no space, I will write. Okay. But what they given, x and y are independent. So p of 1 comma 1 we can write as a p of 1 into p of 1. So we can write as a p of 1 into p of 1. So we can write as a p of 1 into p of 1. So what is the value? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. P of 1 value 1 by 4. P of x equal to 1 by 4. P of y equal to 1 also 1 by 4. See, independent we can write like this. So divided by P of x equal 0, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus P of x equal to 1, 1 by 4. P of y equal to 1, 1 by 4 plus P of x equal to 2, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. If you need, you put bracket. Yes, now simplification. What is the value? 1 by 16 divided by, yes, 1 by 16 divided by 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16. Now answer is what? I'll use another color. So in numerator we have 1 by 16. In denominator this we can write as a 4 by 16. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So in denominator we can write 6 by 16. So then final answer 1 by 6, option C correct. So this kind of problem asked in various questions, but here very important, you have to observe that identical and also you have to observe that independent. And we have to use P of A by A given B formula, P of A intersection B by P of B. So answer is final answer 1/6. Yes, next question. Next one is like a direct question. Like they given difference between two expectation of square of random variables and square of the expectation of random variables is denoted by R. So actually variance cannot be negative. So they asked variance only. That variance is R. So we can write as E of x square minus E square of x. That is square of random variable, expectation of square of random variable, and another one is what? Square of expectation of random variable. So it is important. Just they given R. So variance always positive quantity. So which option? So option D correct. Direct question. Yes, next question also important. Yes, here also they given two independent. So here also two independent random variables x and y are uniformly distributed. So uniform distribution means see here x f of x, so uniformly distributed. Then what about y? Then y also probability density function of y. They given x and y are uniformly distributed. So x value from -1 to 1, then y value from -1 to 1. So we know that area under probability density function 1. So this value 1/2, this value also 1/2. That is first statement. So they given x and y are two independent. So what is the condition for independent? F of x comma y equal to f of x into f of y is the condition for independent random variable. We need that probability of maximum of x comma y is less than 1/2. So here independent, so we can write as a probability of maximum of x less than 1/2. Again probability of maximum of y less than 1/2. Why? They given us x and y are independent. So P of A intersection B or f of x comma y equal to f of x into f of y. So probability of maximum of x must be less than 1/2. So here x varying from, so here what about x? X varying from -1 to +1, but x value must be less than 1/2. So assume this is 1/2. So we need x value must be less than 1/2. So this probability we need. So what is this probability? So how will you find this probability? This length 1 plus 1/2. So 3/2. So 3/2 into 1/4. Okay. Then again, maximum of y less than 1/2. So here assume this point is 1/2. So the probability that maximum of y less than 1/2. So we need this area. So how will you find this area? This is what? 1/2 plus 1, 3/2 into 1/2. Sorry, 3/2 into 1/2. Sorry, this is 3/2 into 1/2. Again, 3/2 into 1/2. So answer is what? 3/4 into 3/4. So 9/16. Very simple. So here x is uniformly distributed, y also uniformly distributed. Same. F of x, this is f of y. They given the condition independent random variable. So f of x comma y, we can write f of x into f of y. So this understand. Suppose if you need this as using the equation, like we can use this also. Maximum of x less than 1/2 means how will you write? So maximum of x for this we can write integral of -1 to 1/2. -1 to 1/2. What is f of x? F of x value 1/2 dx. So this is equal to 1/2 into x. So lower limit, upper limit. So 1/2 upper limit plus lower limit. So we'll get 1/2 into 3/2. So we'll get 3/4. So in this method also we can solve. Here rectangular. So directly I used the formula to find. We know the formula to find area of rectangular L into B. Suppose if this is like a something curve, we cannot use this direct formula. So that time you have to use this integration method. So note down this also. ஓகேவா? இங்க ரெக்டாங்குலர் இருக்கிறதுனால டைரக்ட்லி இந்த ஏரியா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்றதுக்கு ஐ யூஸ்டு ரெக்டாங்குலர் ஃபார்முலா. பட் இது ரெக்டாங்குலர் தவிர வேற ஏதாச்சும் ஷேப்பா இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ வி ஹவ் டு யூஸ் -1 to 1/2 dx. So this value 3/4, this value 3/4. Final answer 9/16. So option B is correct. Okay. Yes. Now. Oh, sorry. Is there any other problem? Yes. Is this completed? Then last one more this problem. I selected 10 problems in each. Yes, see here. A random variable x has the probability density function f of x e power f of x equal to e power minus x. Same. Here we need a probability of x greater than 1. So 1 to infinity f of x value e power minus x dx. So e power minus x by minus 1. So lower limit, upper limit. So for upper limit e power minus infinity, for lower limit e power minus 0 divided by minus 1. So now this is what e power minus infinity 0, e power minus 0 1. So e power, sorry, e 1 1, sorry, lower limit 1. So here we will get answer e power minus 1 or 1 by e. The value of 1 by e is 0.368. This value you can check with calculator. So in GATE exam virtual calculator is available. So you'll get option A. Okay. So option A. Have you got all these problems? Yes. So these are the important previous year GATE problems based on this random variable. So like that we can solve problems in two-dimensional random variable, correlation, regression, and probability. In each topic we can solve some important GATE question. Thank you, students. If any doubt, you WhatsApp me 9788330146. So this is my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, you please WhatsApp